I'm trying to take them outside as well as do the boys' hair today. I also want to give myself a self-care. That's why your girl still got this on her head, because I need to do my hair. But I really just, I don't know. Hey y'all, this is Mama India from the Coleman Crew as well as the Coleman Crew Kids. I am in the family room, which is our homeschool room. Behind me, they have their little turkeys out, which is decorated. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on to you guys. Before I get into this video, I am in here. The kids has ate. They have already ate their breakfast, and we're not doing homeschooling today. I have a lot of things that I need to finish. We did do homeschooling yesterday. Yesterday consisted of what they were thankful for. They had to do a free write of what they was thankful for, as well as make they made Thanksgiving cards and Christmas cards, and thank you cards for this one particular person that, wishes them well, sends them stuff, and they've never met her a day of their life. So that's what we done yesterday to show appreciation to her. Cause she do send the kids packages, the Coleman Crew kids. And I surely thank her for that. However, today is gonna be just a go with the flow day. Can you hear me that pen, Ira? I'm sorry. I'm about to vacuum the floor. I have the vacuum here. She has my pen. Thank you. Tata. I have not been downstairs yet today, you guys, so I don't know what downstairs look like. I just know what our room and the family room and hallway look like. So I'm about to be seeing what these kids is doing in a second. Once I vacuum this floor and get these crumbs up. They all on their devices. In their own space right now. They will be having time to read today, even though we are not doing class. I have an account with Epic Reading. And it is an unlimited app where they can read in their own spare time. And it's nothing linked within the old school that they were attending. Y'all, I'm rubbing my eyes because I'm really trying to listen to my body today. My body is telling me to take a chia pill. That's what my mom used to say. Take a chia pill. Like, just go with the flow. I'm trying to just push myself to going outside with the kids later on. Why are you making all that noise? I'm trying to take them outside as well as do the boys' hair today. I also want to give myself a self-care. That's why your girl still got this on her head, because I need to do my hair. But I really just, I don't know what I'm getting done today. However, I do have my computer in here with some a list of videos that I am lining up to push out that has been in my phone for weeks. Excuse me. I was behind on videos, so I'm trying to push them out. So about to vacuum this floor right fast, y'all. bedroom. I know it's dark in here. Y'all, I had to place that mirror that was in the family room, ouch, in here. We left our mirror to our dresser in Louisiana at our old house. So we just using it and just gonna have to just not worry about a mirror attached to the dresser anymore. This is the closet. I recently organized the closet. One hanger is out of place, which goes right here. This is the kids' Christmas stuff that we will be doing a video with pretty soon. That is the extra hot fries, y'all, that y'all would see normally in the grocery house. My boxes of shoes, Ira little side in here, Ira bassinet, stroller, and then car seat. I got purses tucked under here, bags of purses and stuff, y'all. Stuff hidden under there. I got a couple pins up here, but this is all my husband's stuff, his shoes. Most of all his shoes and stuff is downstairs too, cause he leaves out more than I do. This is all the extra stuff that is stored in our closet, and of course the dirty clothes basket, so we don't have to always go downstairs. Let's go, y'all. But we keep an eye on whatever stuff so that like drinks and stuff, the kids don't just drink and eat. Ira, we'll see you, Mom. Ta-ta. Plastic, no. I make sure I keep stuff off the floor and make sure she don't put stuff in her mouth, because she like to do that. Slide down the stairs. Show the camera. Avery, say hey. Let's show these. The girls' room is not really fully put together. I mean, their bed's not big. And the boys, I know you lying. Amari cover is off his bed. And then, y'all, they in my living room. What did you do? Yeah, this is his room. I'm not gonna show y'all what he on the floor doing with no bottoms on. The office. These are the bundle deals that I still have. Shirts ready to be pressed and shipped out. Come on. I don't know who got these on my desk. On my thing. Come on, Mama. Kids' bathroom. It's okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go down here to these kids. Slide down the stairs, Mama. Slide. You need no slide? You need one too? Why y'all in here? Why y'all in the living room? What? Well, y'all daddy not here. I know. Amari, what's wrong with your cover?
And Daddy had Iris to, and I was supposed to get on my bed.
He kind of waste juice on your cover. Why y'all beds and stuff not made up? Huh? Y'all want me to take y'all phones? The least that y'all could do is make sure y'all rooms are straightened if y'all gonna not have homeschooling today. And it's not by choice of y'all, it's because I know I have other stuff to do. But I shouldn't walk through the house and see y'all comfortable propped up in the living room and y'all ain't got y'all rooms together. And Amari just throw his cover. Amari just throw his cover on the floor. You walking around with that, and he going to get it like. My husband got some beans. Promise to them that I kept. We are outside. I got class in a little bit. They are enjoying themselves. I'm hoping that they don't stick their hands in their mouth because I do have masks, but they don't have them on because no one is over here in this area. But I'm about to still make them put them on. No, Iris. You gonna hurt yourself. It's the second time that we have actually been out here in this particular area. We normally just go in the field. However, we out here today. I do have the kids wearing a mask. No one's out here. I have sanitizer. I had treats, cupcakes, and muffins and apple juice, but they went straight to the play area, so I am not gonna let them eat whatever until they get inside and fully cleanse themselves. So y'all, I have a text meeting at 6 o'clock. It's like 5:29. It feels too good outside to rush them in, so I just have to play it by ear to see how long it will be before we go inside to take baths. Trying to keep an eye out on all the kids, cause there's our daddy. Daddy's coming outside. It's so pretty out here, y'all. There go Ivan over there. There go Daddy. So guys, we are now on the other side, which is the field, because The kids just came and just overcrowded us, y'all. I couldn't control nobody else's kids by telling them, hey, y'all, get back. You don't have on no mask. One was trying to, I could have turned my face on. I'm already. Get back. One was trying to speak and say the baby was pretty. You know, I'm saying thank you and walking the other way because I had to put my mask on too. So, y'all. The sky is so pretty. It feels so good out here. Y'all come this way, please. This way. Over here on this part where y'all know y'all not going to be walking into no dog pool. Get right over here. So, yeah. I have training at 6 o'clock, like I said. It's 5:39. It feels so good out here, y'all. So good. This is our peace of mind. Peace of mind. Say hey, Ira. Say hey. Say hey. She got her little furry 6 slippers on, y'all. Say look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Say hey. Say hey. Running over there to their duty, y'all. The dog is out. And for some reason, y'all, this ice cream truck comes out late. I mean, it's 5:47. Hey, princess. Sound like you want to get into something.
Why is he breathing like that? Like,